how to add picture to Google reviews. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google application on a device and search for any place that you'd want to review or add picture to. And as you can see on the screen, I've already added or selected a place. Then here you can see different options. So select on the reviews section. As I tap on the reviews section, you can simply see the rate and review on Google. So let's tap on the option of review over here. I'm going to give it a 4-star for here for now. And as we do that, it will land us to a new page on different sections. So you can simply share details of your own experience over here by tapping on this message box and simply write whatever you would want to share. Then you can simply give all these details, and as we scroll down, we can see different options again, but we do not have the option to post the photo. So this probably does not give us the access to add picture to Google reviews for now, and we can still wait for updates later on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.